Thank you for taking the time to watch this short presentation about how you can support your child in preparing for their upcoming PPEs. On the week beginning November the 9th, geography students will sit 2 pre-public exams, or PPEs. Students will complete 2 past papers. Paper 1 is about living with the physical environment, and Paper 2 is about the challenges in the human environment. Paper 1 is worth 88 marks and lasts an hour and a half. 3 additional marks are awarded for spelling, punctuation and grammar. Pupils should roughly aim to spend about a minute per mark awarded. Paper 1 will examine topics completed in Year 10. These topics are the challenge of natural hazards and UK physical landscapes of rivers and coasts. Paper 2 is also worth 88 marks and lasts an hour and a half. Again, 3 additional marks are awarded for spelling, punctuation and grammar. Paper 2 will examine urban issues and challenges, the topic which we are currently studying in class. It will also assess the changing economic world unit and the challenges of resource management. This paper will ask questions from content studied in Year 10 and from the end of Year 9, therefore it is crucial that thorough revision of these topics is completed. Revision guides are available to purchase from myself at the price of £3.50. In order to do well at GCSE Geography, we need to be able to know, understand and apply specific information through each of the exams. To do this, we need to commit this information to memory so that we can recall it easily when answering exam questions. Luckily, cognitive scientists have researched what works well for effective geography revision. Here are some general revision tips. Number 1. Getting started. Cramming at the last minute is stressful and has limited success. The earlier you start revising, the more helpful it is for your memory. Number 2. Making a plan. Work out how much time you have and how long you have to spend on each topic. Number 3. Creating a suitable space. Find a quiet spot away from distractions and keep your things all in one place. Number 4. Taking regular breaks. It's possible to work too hard. Your brain needs a rest to help it process information. Number 5. Keeping healthy. Eating healthily and taking regular exercise will boost your brain power and will help you remember more. You can easily create your own revision resources using flashcards. You can write on both sides of them, colour code them or use them to quiz yourself and others. In geography, they can be used to revise key terms, definitions and examples. The key facts and case studies and examples studied in each topic, for example, the causes, effects and responses to earthquakes and hurricanes. They can also be used for diagrams and step-by-step descriptions of how landforms are created by rivers and the sea. Dual coding means putting your knowledge into visual form alongside words. Look for visuals in your classwork or revision guide and compare them to the information they represent. Look at the visuals on their own and try to explain them in your own words. As you create your revision notes or flashcards, create visuals of your own to help you memorise the information. During your exams, you will need to be able to recall large amounts of information from your brain quickly. To get better at this, you need to practice. Not only will you get better at recalling information, but the information you recall is more likely to stick in your memory. How can we do this in geography? Total recall. Start with a blank sheet of paper, write down everything that you can remember about a topic without looking at your notes. Then open your notes and write down anything you've missed on the same sheet of paper. Repeat this often and each time you will recall more information. You can use this method for case studies, diagrams and key terms. Quiz yourself. Using your revision notes, quiz yourself or your friends or get someone to test you. Deliberate practice. Set time aside to practice what you will be doing in the exam. That's answering exam questions. Have a revision power hour. Pick a question, spend 20 minutes revising for that question, then spend 20 minutes answering it. Ask for feedback from your teacher. Practice questions from your book, old assessments and from revision guides. Seneca Learning has been designed by cognitive scientists to help students remember topics better and reduce their stress levels. Pupils can access revision notes on each of their topics and then take quick tests to check their learning. It's been proven to make learning twice as fast than traditional methods. BBC Bite Size. This can be used to help with revision and learning. You can find free videos, step-by-step guides, activities and quizzes.